How to fix Snapchat login error on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can fix Snapchat's login error on your Android smartphone. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So let's say that you open up Snapchat app and you have been simply trying to log in or get back into your account, but you're not being able to do so. It could be happening due to multiple reasons. One reason could also be that you might have simply been entering a wrong credentials, which means a wrong username or email and a wrong password. So if you don't remember it, what I'll just recommend you do is to simply tap on this forgot your password button over here. Once you tap on forgot your password, you can just go ahead and then reset your password in that way, either via your phone number or your email address as well. And if that is not the case, there could also be a couple of reasons why. Now what I will do is I'll just go ahead and long press on the Snapchat app icon over here, and I'll tap on the I button, which you see on the top right. Once I tap on the I button, you'll be able to see all the sorts of various options. Here you want to actually scroll down and go to storage, clear the cache files, and you might also as well want to clear data. Once you click on clear files and clear cache and clear data, it is going to reset the Snapchat app as well. And last but not the least, just go ahead and launch the respective app stores on your device. Once you launch your respective app stores, in the search box you just want to type in Snapchat. So as soon as you go ahead and then type in Snapchat, check if the Snapchat app has an update available. If it does, then make sure to update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Updating will remove any of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous version. And hopefully one of these solutions may have definitely solved your problem. If it did help solve your issue, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.